AM Central Standard Time. At 5:33 AM Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses.
Amazing wake-up
Some
call.
locations that will experience flash flooding include Ballinger, Hatchel, and Ballinger Lake. This includes the following low water crossings: CR 348 crossing Coyote Creek, County Road 336 crossing Big Coyote Creek, County Road 334 crossing Big Coyote Creek, County Road 334 crossing Little Coyote Creek. Crossings along County Road flash flooding include Ballinger, Hatchel, and Ballinger Lake. Coyote Creek. This includes the following low water crossings: CR 348 crossing Coyote Creek, County Road 336 crossing Big Coyote Creek, County Road 334 crossing Big Coyote Creek, County Road 334 crossing Little Coyote Creek. Crossings along County Road 334, County Road 337 crossing Coyote Creek, County Road 351 crossing Bluff Creek, County Road 351 crossing Elm Creek, County Road 330 crossing Elm Creek, and County Road 342 crossing Coyote Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
There you go. Got it on FM too. It's the amazing wake-up call. That flood warning at 4:44. That woke me up. And the reason why my St. Jean didn't go off is because I had its alert off. So it didn't scare me after death until the middle of the night. So my 100 already woke me up. My 100's not even that loud. So, because as soon as all these other guys start going off, it'll be overtaken completely. So, especially since the loudest one is right next to it. So, yeah. But it's the only place where it sits happily and activates happily. So, yeah. And since it also activates the earliest, I'm going to have it right there. Since it activates the earliest. So, yeah. I'll let y'all know if we get anything else.